Okay, yes. What are you doing?
Everybody wants to see him eat.
That's really gross.
Ta-da! Well, we're heading out of Arizona, heading to Texas. Except for we got to stop in Albuquerque, New Mexico for a night. So heading that way, and then we'll be in Waco, Texas, and then San Antonio, and get to explore some fun stuff. So yeah, hopefully the drive is not too boring, but we've heard it's flat with nothing else. So guess we'll see. We made it to the surf park. What'd you think?
This is really cool.
Right?
It's really pretty.
Come back when it's warm enough to actually surf.
Not raining.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow a little bit, but this is our RV spot and the dog. Pretty sweet. And then the lake's just right here. Got like rails and jump set up for the cable park. I don't know where the actual surf spot is. But got cabins you can rent out. Yeah, huge park, bunch of water slides. Pretty sweet. Definitely plan on coming back next year before it gets cold. Where are we at and what are we doing here?
Magnolia.
What is that?
It's like Target stuff.
Apparently a magnolia flower is Target.
No. It's Joanna Games' whole brand.
Oh,
Fixer Upper show, you know?
cool. It's pretty.
Do you want to sit here and work?
No. Should we walk around?
Yes.
Where are we going? Pick somewhere.
Every single shop. We'll go into all of them. Well, do you want to go here?
It's a train.
Looks like actually has services.
Having fun?
This is so much fun.
What'd you get?
Look at the size of this tea. It's massive. It's like bigger than my hand. It's in a
Hard to
glass
do.
jar. Sick.
Yeah, they're pretty big, huh?
Of course, Jake got a sweet tea. I got unsweet. I'm a Yankee. This is really fun.
Well, I'm surf ready, and it's hot. but it's freaking cold as hell outside. Ready to watch me drown?
It's gonna be fun.
Never ocean surfed before, and apparently I'm doing a intermediate wave, not the beginner wave.
No, I put him in expert.
Oh, okay.
You'll learn fast, don't worry.
I'll try to. This freaking wetsuit's tight as hell. But we've been watching people surf for like an hour.
Pretty cool.
Looks
Some
fun.
kids out there. Pretty
Yeah.
good. If you can keep up with them, you'll be fine.
I'll probably be under the waves. So. Hey, you ready to go to San Antonio? Yeah? What about you, little Miss Girl?
Heck yeah.
You excited? How was my surfing efforts?
They were great. I was so proud of you for trying.
Yeah, I looked like a retard, but it's alright. I didn't drown, so. And everybody else in my class was a
Freaking pro.
ocean surfer, and they still couldn't hardly catch the wave or stand up, so I guess I didn't do all that bad. It took forever to figure out the timing of the wave because it kind of just like sucks under and then goes. You can't see it coming, so it took me like 30 minutes to actually figure that out. And then I never figured out the timing of actually standing up, so, but
You did great.
only had an hour, so we'll figure it out next time when we come back, hopefully next summer, because this place is pretty sweet. They got like a lazy river, a bunch of hot tubs, and then the cable park for wakeboarding, a bunch of cabins, and then water slides that launch you like 30 feet in the sky into the lake. So, but yeah, we'll definitely be back and then try to actually surf, or maybe do some surfing in the ocean once we get to Florida where it's warm, because
yeah.
it was like 55 degrees when I was surfing and my fingers and feet fell off, so couldn't feel them, but it was fun. So we'll be back, but now we're heading to San Antonio to kind of go explore that city and see the Riverwalk and
see family.
see my cousin Dakota, so that'll be fun. What'd you get?
Macaroons.
You having fun?
This is so pretty.
Where are we? Is it just called the Pearl?
Yeah, it's called the Pearl District. Bunch of breweries.
Pretty sweet.
Oh, and right now it's like the farmer's market, so it's super busy.
We're gonna go get a beignet, whatever that is.
This is cool.
Like the one that came with the house, they're just loud. Like you hear it all the way through. You still hear it drive.
What's this?
It's the Alamo, babe.
Look, we can give us a tour of the whole thing from right here. Hold on.
Okay, history lesson. We did not win this. America at Losto. Okay? We did not win the Alamo. History lesson over.
Good job.
You know what's funny?
What's that?
It's pretty cool. It's part of American history. I want to go in, but part of me is like, no, this is cool.
There's a lot of people here.
This
I wish
is
they let
not
people,
bad.
more people.
They only let 100 people at a time in. Which seems like a lot.
Right?
Because we can't
It
even
doesn't
get
look
in
that big.
for like 3 more hours.
This way or that way?
Go for it, wherever you want.
What do you think, babe?
Where are we going?
San Fernando Church.
Going to a church. Another church.
Pretty church.
Walking on the river again. Pretty much probably mostly what we've done here so far.
Right?
A lot of it anyway. It's pretty.
It's a big river.
Not kidding. Well, we're heading to a church. Gonna go check it out. Maybe go into it. No idea.